Hi, I'm Chef Charlie Ayers, owner of Calafia Cafe and Market A Go-Go in Palo Alto, California. Today I'm going to make for you a juicy mushroom Swiss burger. This is one of our more popular items on the menu. We use a blend of sirloin, brisket, and tri-tip, which we grind fresh daily to make our hamburger patties. We use a really fluffy, moist hamburger bun called a pain de mie, which is a bun that is made that has flour or has milk in it, so it's a very soft and rich bun. Served with grilled onions, roasted cremini mushrooms, and a melted Jarlsberg cheese, which is in the Swiss family, but it has a richer flavor than a regular generic Swiss cheese. Has a little bit of a nutty finish to it. I already have one going for you right now, so I'm going to plate that for you, and you'll get to see the finished product in one moment. I always want to make sure you toast your buns. If you don't like grilled onions, you don't have to put on grilled onions. I feel that they work very well together. And here's our mushroom Swiss burger. Then we top it with our Jarlsberg cheese and roasted cremini mushrooms, and we put it underneath the salamander for a moment to melt. If you don't have a salamander at home, you can easily cover your burger with a lid like this on your grill or in your pan if you're cooking it on the stovetop. This burger is normally served with either our French fries or our coleslaw or a small salad. We always serve our burgers with our house-made pickles as well. I'm Chef Charlie Ayers, owner of Calafia Cafe and Market A Go-Go in Palo Alto.